Welcome to our in-depth lesson on combining stress and intonation in English. In this guide, you'll embark on an exciting journey to discover how using stress and intonation together can transform your English speech, making it sound more natural, engaging, and expressive. By emphasizing the right words and employing appropriate intonation patterns, you'll unlock the power to convey your intended meaning, attitude, and emotions with greater clarity and impact. Throughout this lesson, we'll practice identifying stress and intonation in example sentences and explore practical exercises to help you hone your skills. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a deep understanding of how stress and intonation work in harmony, and you'll be equipped with valuable tools to practice and master these essential aspects of English communication. So, let's dive in and elevate your English speaking skills to new heights. When stress and intonation unite, they create a powerful synergy that breathes life into your English speech. By stressing the appropriate words and syllables while applying the correct intonation pattern, you'll infuse your communication with a natural flow and engaging rhythm that captivates your listeners. This strategic combination highlights the most important information in your message and guides your audience's understanding, ensuring that your intended meaning shines through with crystal clarity. Let's consider an example that demonstrates the impact of combining stress and intonation. In the question, "Are you going to the party tonight?" Stressing the words "you" and "party" while using a rising intonation on "tonight" emphasizes the key information and indicates a genuine question. This combination of stress and intonation conveys a sense of curiosity and engagement, inviting the listener to respond with enthusiasm. Now it's time to put your stress and intonation skills to the test. In this interactive practice, you'll hear a series of sentences, and your task is to identify the stressed words and the appropriate intonation pattern for each one. Listen carefully to the sentences, paying attention to the emphasized words and the rise or fall of the speaker's voice. After a short pause, I'll provide the answers, highlighting the stressed words and describing the intonation pattern. Remember, this practice is designed to sharpen your ability to recognize and apply stress and intonation effectively in your own speech. Let's begin. 1. Did you see the new movie? The stressed words are you, new, and movie, and the intonation pattern is rising, indicating a genuine question. 2. I can't believe he said that. The stressed words are can't believe and said, and the intonation pattern is falling, expressing a strong statement or sense of disbelief. 3. She's not coming to the party. The stressed words are not coming and party, and the intonation pattern is fall rise, implying surprise or disappointment. Excellent work. By mastering the art of combining stress and intonation, you'll communicate more effectively and naturally in English, expressing your intended meaning, attitude, and emotions with greater clarity and precision. Remember, consistent practice and exposure to native English speech are the keys to unlocking your full potential in this area. To help you hone your stress and intonation skills, let's explore 2 powerful exercises that you can incorporate into your daily English practice routine. Exercise 1. Shadowing native speakers. Shadowing involves listening to native English speakers and imitating their speech patterns as closely as possible. Choose an audio or video clip, listen to it, and repeat what the speaker says, focusing on matching their stress and intonation patterns precisely. By consistently practicing shadowing, you'll develop a keen ear for natural English stress and intonation, and your own speech will begin to mirror these patterns more accurately. Exercise 2. Stress and intonation. Role play. Role-playing different scenarios is a fun and engaging way to practice using stress and intonation to convey various emotions, attitudes, and intentions. Choose a simple dialogue or create your own, focusing on a specific emotion or attitude, and practice delivering the lines with the appropriate stress and intonation patterns to convey the intended meaning. Record yourself, listen to the recording, and evaluate your performance to identify areas for improvement. Role-playing allows you to experiment with stress and intonation in a controlled environment, helping you develop the confidence and flexibility to apply these skills in real-life conversations. As you progress on your path to mastering stress and intonation in English, remember that consistent practice and exposure to native speech are the pillars of success. Incorporate the exercises we've explored into your daily routine and actively seek opportunities to listen to and practice English with native speakers or advanced learners. Engage with your fellow learners in course discussions, sharing your experiences, insights, and questions. By dedicating yourself to the journey of mastering stress and intonation, you'll witness remarkable improvements in your ability to communicate effectively and naturally in English. Remember, each step you take towards refining your stress and intonation skills is a step towards unlocking your full potential as an English speaker. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never hesitate to seek support and guidance when needed. With unwavering commitment and a passion for growth, you'll soon find yourself speaking English with the clarity, expressiveness, and confidence you've always aspired to achieve. In this comprehensive lesson, we've embarked on a transformative journey into the world of stress and intonation in English. You've discovered the immense power of combining these essential elements to create speech that is natural, engaging, and emotionally resonant. Through interactive practice and targeted exercises, you've gained the tools and knowledge necessary to identify and apply stress and intonation effectively in your own communication. As you continue to explore and master these crucial aspects of English, remember that your dedication and perseverance will yield incredible rewards. With each passing day, you'll find your ability to express yourself with clarity, precision, and authenticity growing exponentially. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning and never underestimate the profound impact that mastering stress and intonation can have on your personal and professional growth. Thank you for joining me on this illuminating expedition into the heart of English communication. I encourage you to delve deeper into the captivating world of pronunciation and communication skills by exploring our extensive library of lessons and resources. Remember, your success is a testament to your unwavering commitment and boundless potential. Keep striving, keep growing, and most importantly, keep embracing the joy of mastering the English language, one stress and intonation pattern at a time.
English flows like a stream, stress and tone intertwine. More than words it may seem, let your true meaning shine. Ride the waves of speech, high and low we go. Stress and tone they teach how to make words glow. Speak with heart, speak with soul. Let your English roll. play with pitch, tell your tale. When your voice alters, your message won't fail. Questions rise high, statements fall low. Fall, rise, asked why, let meaning flow. Up and down, round we go. Stress and tone combine to make speech